Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to download an alternative or replacement of the TinyTask app, which is mostly used for multiple utility tasks. So in iPhone, we just simply come into the App Store, and if we search TinyTask, so see, there's no TinyTask available into this App Store. If it won't be available, so it must pop up on the top, but it isn't. It means that it does not exist into this App Store. So there is an alternative for this, which is named as IFTTT. Look, it's visible here. So you come into it and we just simply download it. So it needs confirmation as biometrics, and it's not useful for me actually, so I won't download it. So best of luck. If you need it, so it can download it for your utility purposes, and also subscribe my channel and like the posts. Thank you.